Once your bot is connected to Wi-Fi and the map is ready, you can set up cleaning schedules. UltraVision can follow up to 7 cleaning schedules at any given time. To get started, open the bObsweep app. Make sure UltraVision is online and there are no active trouble messages at the top of the page. Click Schedule and then add New Cleaning Schedule. When should UltraVision clean? Tap to select the time when you would like UltraVision to start cleaning. Schedule a time that is at least 15 minutes in the future. Then select as many days as you would like to schedule for this time and hit Next. Where should UltraVision clean? On the map, select as many rooms as you like for this schedule. Note that if a room has not been labeled before, the app will prompt you to label the room first. If you prefer to ask UltraVision to clean everywhere on this schedule, simply toggle Clean Everywhere. What should UltraVision do? Choose between Vacuum and Mop and continue to select your preferred cleaning power settings. Now name your schedule. Give the schedule a name and hit Next. Review and save your schedule. If everything looks good, tap Save or use the back button to go back and make modifications. Once saved, you can view the schedule summary on the screen. To delete a schedule, grab and swipe left, then hit Delete. To edit a schedule, grab and swipe left, then hit Edit. Note that if you delete your bot from the app, delete room labels from the map, erase your map, or hard reset UltraVision, scheduled cleanings will be deleted as well. Please don't hesitate to reach out to our helpful support team if you need additional help with UltraVision or the bObsweep app.